Domestic worker Gilda Banugan is used to taking care of others, and now she's fighting to make sure she can take care of herself. Originally from the Philippines, Banugan has been living and working in Taiwan for over a decade. At 40, she's far from retiring, but she has less than 2 years left before she has to leave the country. Under Taiwanese law, migrant workers can't stay and work here for longer than 12 years.
We work so hard. We work 24/7, especially caretakers. We try our best that we really can help the family also. But after all, after more than 10 years, decades of work, then we will go back home in the future, but there's nothing that we can have.
Banugan says she would have felt better had she qualified for the old age benefits available to migrant workers, payments that those insured in Taiwan can receive once they hit 60. Under the Labor Insurance Act, people employed in Taiwan for 15 years are eligible for old age pensions. Those who work less than 15 years, which is most migrant workers, qualify for a one-time lump sum benefit. But another law, called the Employment Services Act, limits blue-collar migrant workers in the country from being employed over 12 years. And ultimately, this all depends on whether their employer enrolls them in labor insurance in the first place. At this recent NGO-backed public hearing, one migrant worker broke down in tears as she described her fears of living without old age benefits.
Umalis ako ng Pilipinas na malusog at walang anumang karamdaman. Subalit sa paglipas ng mga taon, na-diagnose ako na mayroong ovarian cancer at chronic kidney failure. Napakasakit na mayroon na ako karamdaman na malayo sa aking pamilya. Pero kailangan mag-cruise.
Representatives here from the Labor Ministry shared their own difficulties in getting benefits to migrant workers.
是因为他们在来台湾就是来这边工作以后，然后我们主要的保费部门对象是入口单位，就是他们补助的考虑部门说为什么是要该收保费，可是当他符合了以付条件的时候，很可能他们已经或什么样的状况下，那相关的通讯资料其实比较难掌握吧。
But labor rights advocates say the Labor Ministry has a responsibility to take care of migrant workers and close these loopholes.
更何况台湾雇主对于台湾的劳工都有这样的负担，都要负这样的责任。那为什么变成一个外国劳工或者是菲律宾劳工、印尼劳工雇主就不用负担这块责任呢？我觉得这是很明显一个政策上的歧视跟不公平。
Labor insurance representatives said changing the policy will take time, but migrant workers won't just be waiting around. They intend to continue to speak out and call for change, taking care of themselves and each other if no one else will. Kris, Gino, Lopez, and Tiffany Wong in Taipei for TaiwanPlus.